Hey everybody, this is Davian at Koren Family Farm with Gloria. Say hi, Gloria. There are 75 chicks in here, and our broilers, which is a term for meat birds, they just arrived yesterday, actually in the middle of market. We are currently keeping them in this brooder setup. We've got a IVC tote that's cut in half. We washed it out, dried it, and you can see there is a big water there, and then we've got a feeder and a heat lamp. So they made it through their first night and nobody died, so we're taking that as a good sign. So stay tuned and we'll keep more updates out in the open for you guys. Do you want to help with grabbing eggs? Why don't we start with this one? Open it up. Oh, look, we got eggs. Here. Did I lift you up? Yeah. There we go, that's better. All right. You grab them, put them in. Good job. This eggs? Yeah. Okay, what you're saying? Alright. Alright, looks like just 2 in this one. Yeah, the chicken's being loud? Yeah. Alright, time to hop down. Let's bring these eggs inside. Go ahead, get them put away. I guess we don't need the second carton. Alright, thank you all for watching. Say bye, Gloria.